Unlock the power of Gemini directly from your terminal with the Gemini CLI. Imagine effortlessly managing your AI tasks and workflows without ever leaving your command line. That's exactly what the Gemini CLI empowers you to do, bridging the gap between powerful AI capabilities and your preferred command line environment. First things first, you'll need to get the Gemini CLI installed. This usually involves a straightforward installation process. You'll typically find the instructions on the official Gemini CLI documentation or a dedicated repository. Follow those steps carefully, ensuring all dependencies are met. Once installed, you'll need to authenticate your CLI with your Gemini account. This is a crucial step to link your terminal commands to your Gemini platform access. Think of it like providing a secure key to unlock the full potential of Gemini through your command line. After successful authentication, you're ready to start issuing commands. The syntax is designed to be intuitive. You'll generally start with the base command, followed by specific actions you want to perform. For instance, to interact with Gemini's models, you might specify the model you want to use, and then provide your input. The CLI will then send this request to the Gemini platform, process it, and return the results directly to your terminal. You can explore a range of functionalities. This could include listing available Gemini models, submitting text prompts for generation, or even managing existing AI projects. Each command is designed for specific tasks, offering granular control. The true power of the Gemini CLI shines when it comes to automation. You can script sequences of commands to perform complex operations, integrate Gemini into your existing development workflows, or even build custom AI-powered tools. So, dive in, explore the commands, and start harnessing the immense capabilities of Gemini, all from the familiarity and efficiency of your command line.